Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a sports water bottle with time marker 32-ounce fruit infuser BPA free Tri-10 plastic drinking bottle with a locking flip lid, one hand open fitness workout water bottle with filter gray. And I want to give it a shout out to Melody from OMORC marketing team for sending me this so I could do the review for you guys. By the way, I'll be including the link that is going to show in the description so you guys could check them out. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then open this up. So this one is the Dove gray color. Material is silicone. Capacity 2 pounds. So not even a small drip can escape. It has 3 extra leak-proof bowls included. And it comes with a detachable filter for fresh flavor. Easy strain fruit or ice cubes. Customize your favorite taste. So let me give you guys a 360 view real quick. And it is BPA free. That's the model number right there. And right here is the product description. And it says sports. That's the model number again. And it is made in China. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. Oh, I guess this is not the Dove gray, it's a different color, like a teal. So there are many colors to choose from. So it comes with this nice strap, allow you to rotate 360 degrees or around it. They got their logo and their branding right there. And this is 32 ounce. There's a lock right here, secure lid lock, so it won't accidentally open. And then you push this button to pop it open. So they have a silicone right there, rubber silicone, so it won't spill. Wow, look at it. So shiny and clear. So let's go and open this up. So you got the nice filter right here in case you have fruits, raspberry or strawberry, blackberry, blueberry inside there, and then you just want to taste it instead of eating it. So it's a nice filter right here. Or you have like a tea bag, you know. also give you extra rubber pieces. Wow, they even come with a sponge brush. Nice. So yeah, since it's so deep in there, it comes with this sponge brush, so you brush inside there, which is awesome. I mean, come with the cleaning tools and everything, so you don't need to buy extra. And this too, from the cover, okay? One on top, one, the small one is on the bottom. So yeah, one over here, the big one, and then the medium size right there, and then the small one right there. So those are just replacement parts. Okay, and then here's some of the measurement right here. And then also the time, 6 p.m., 12 p.m., 5 p.m., 11, 4, 11 a.m., or 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.